Okay, sweetie, so we're gonna do this repair right here. You see that one?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so first I want you to take this pick and I want you to clean out the little impact point. You do that? Good. Good job. Here we go. Ready to push it in? Good job. There you go. Good job. Keep going. All the way to the top until it stops. Hey, did it stop?
You had a car very old and then all broken, so you wanted to fix it?
Slow, okay? Go slow, and when we get down to the bottom, we want to go really easy. Keep going.
It's kind of going too fast.
That's okay. That's okay. When it gets down to when you watch that little white seal. When you see the white seal pop, there it goes right there. Stop, 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 stop. Okay. There. Do you like the special light? In pink? Pretty cool.
But it has a little bit black on it. I'm okay with that.
Black button. There you go. Good job. I just let see the light's gonna flash.
Mm-hmm. It kind of looks like orange.
Mm-hmm.
What has that?
The timer.
And there, the sticker.
Yeah, that's UV lights. It's curing. It's making the liquid resin hard. Let's see how we did. How's it look?
It looked more smaller.
Yeah, much smaller, right?
Yeah.
Can't really find it. There's a little tiny speck.